everyone, welcome to Sewing is Fun. Today in this video I'm going to show you some designer kurtis. So next time when you are going to prepare your own designer wear or giving it to your tailor, just keep in mind all these designs. So let's quickly get started. Hi everyone. Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. So today I was searching kurti for myself on Amazon and I found few which are really very cheap and look so beautiful. Their reviews are also very good, so I thought to share them with you too. If you liked any, then you can purchase it from the link below in the description box. I added all of them in my personalized Amazon store so that you can easily find it. By the way, I purchased this one. It cost me around $3.99 only. So hurry up cause the stock is limited. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it and also click the bell icon to get the latest designer wear updates.